As it pertains to an organization performing these activities internally, what we found is that as devices are being deployed, accurate data capture during the deployment is critical. And if there's missing data or incorrect data in terms of which location has which devices or which end user has been assigned which device, it becomes a nightmare through the life cycle on understanding who has what device or how many did I really allocate to that particular location. And an example of scale, we had a customer who approached us about deploying iPads to their end users. They thought about it and they considered it and said, thanks, but no thanks, we're going to do it ourselves. This was an 8,000 iPad deployment. Well, we got a call about a month later from this point of contact saying, we've deployed 300, and we can't do this. We're not set up to do it. And so they engaged, and we were able to get the rest of those devices out within a 60-day period, and saved the rollout, saved the ROI that was associated with the program, and we've continued to grow with them. When the realization came about that you need to leverage an organization that has the infrastructure and processes in place to effectively go to high scale very quickly at high quality.